How to see block list on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see your block list on Facebook step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you're inside the settings and privacy section, you simply have to scroll down a bit until you find the audience and visibility section. And now here, under that section, you can see the option labeled as blocking. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see your entire blocked people list, and these are the accounts that you have blocked on Facebook. So here next to each name, you'll see an unblock option if you ever want to remove someone from the list. And that's it. That's how you can see your block list on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.